Imagine managing hundreds of devices, each needing the latest security policies, app updates, and compliance checks. How do you ensure every device plays by the rules? That's where the Intune agent steps in. Microsoft Intune is a powerful platform for device management. At its core, Intune relies on the agent, a quiet, tireless worker installed on each managed device. The agent acts as a bridge between your devices and the Intune service, making sure instructions get carried out smoothly and consistently. The agent communicates directly with Intune, collecting policies, security requirements, and updates assigned by administrators. When a policy is rolled out, like password complexity or app restrictions, the agent receives those instructions, applies them to the device, and monitors compliance. It reports back, letting admins know which devices are secure, which need attention, and where adjustments might be required. Across all Intune services, the agent's responsibilities are vital. For device management, it enforces settings and tracks inventory. Under security, it ensures that antivirus, encryption, and threat protection policies are applied. In application control, it manages app installations, removals, and updates. The agent quietly orchestrates every detail, so you don't have to. Without the agent, devices would fall out of sync, security gaps would widen, and IT teams would lose visibility. That's why the Intune agent is essential. It transforms administrative policies into real, actionable protections on every device. Understanding the Intune agent means understanding how your device management stays dependable, automated, and secure. With this clarity, managing your environment becomes not only possible, but streamlined and reliable.